Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel, Septeria18. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to be sharing with you a project in this video and also how you can make one of these really fun projects as well. So it's a really cute flower shaped embellishment that I've got here. They are easy to make and they just look really cute and great to just add to your projects to embellish. And then I've just got here another flower shape using my paper punch as a centerpiece just to finish off the flower shape, and they just look really cute. And I did get this idea from one that was gifted to me a couple of years ago as a Happy Mail gift. I can't remember who gifted it to me, but I'm going to go through my Happy Mail, and when I find out who gifted it to me, I'll put the name down below in the bottom of this video. But this is the one they gifted to me, and I thought it was really cute, so I just thought I'd recreate the same one as well, adding a wood stick as well. I just think it's really cute. So these were again the ones that I'd made, and I also placed a little wood pick onto my one as well. However, I added a little bit more to it. So this one here is one of them that I made, and I placed some flag shape batters using some of my paper scraps, and then embellished it with a word sentiment. And this one here has some butterflies that I punched out as well with my butterfly shape punched, and just tied a little crochet string to the bottom, and it just looks really cute. So that's one of them that I made, and this is another one, the same, just different here at the bottom. I've got a heart shape down the bottom here to finish off the string, and I've got this one here as well, which I just kept this one simple with just some flag banner shapes on this one. And I think these are just great little gifts to add to Happy Mail as well, to your crafty friend. You can also make this into like a cupcake topper and put this on top of a cupcake, and you can put the initial of the person that's having a birthday, or just to decorate the cupcakes. You could also adhere this to cards and make this as an embellishment for a card. And I'm also going to package one of these up and just show you how nice they look when you package it up. So I have here, let me just see where I've got it. I've got here one of my embossed cardstock with dots on it, and some clear self-seal bag, and I'll just grab this one, and I think it looked nice to just place that in the middle there, and I'm going to add a little foam dot just to the back, just so that it'll stop it from moving around in the packaging. So I'm just going to place that to the back there, and just adhere it somewhere in the middle like that, just to keep it still. And I'm going to pop it inside the self-clear bag, going in from the bottom, and I'm going to also add a sprinkle of some pink sequins just to also give it a little bit of decoration to the packaging. And that's enough, just a little bit. I think that's just a fun way to also brighten up the gift. I'm just going to seal that. The reason why I've sealed it at the bottom, so as you can see, you've got all the sequins down there. You can also add a bag topper up here. So I've got here one that I've just made myself, and you can just cut your paper out, fold it in half, add some double-sided paper, and you just adhere that to the top of your bag like that. And you can also then decorate your bag topper and add a word sentiment, and then they just open it from the bottom and take out their little package gift, and then they can then reuse this bag topper again. Because if you seal it from the that way, then they've got to rip open the bag topper that you've decorated, and then it's not going to look nice anymore. So that's just a nice way to do that, and I think it looks really pretty. You can also add some shredded paper in there as well, So that's just a fun way to package it. And what I've decided I was going to do was to list a packaging kit like this one, and not with the flower, but I'm going to make a packaging kit where you get 3 of these dotted cardstock, embossed cardstock. You'll also get 3 of these ornate shape pattern embossed cardstock, so you get 6 altogether, and they measure roughly, I think, about 3 by 4 inches, roughly about that size. And you'll also get 6 of these clear self-seal bags for these to fit in. You don't even have to use this for the packaging. You could use these for your other projects and embellish it if you wanted to, but if you wanted to make it as a packaging like this, it will come with the clear bags. You'll get 6 of these cardstock, and you'll also get 3 random bag toppers that I've cut out myself and punched out for you to use. So you get 3 of those, and you'll also get 3 of these bag toppers as well, a random prints. So altogether you'll get 3 of these bag toppers with random prints. You'll get 3 of these bag toppers, and all you do is you just fold it down. There's some score lines here. You just fold that in half, and this part here will become like a handle, and then you just add that to your packaged goodies. And so that's already pre-done for you. So you'll get 3 of those, 3 random prints of these bag toppers, 3 of these dotted embossed cardstock, and 3 of these ones, and 6 clear self-seal bags. So this will be like a kit ready for you that you could use to package your goodies. So I'll have this listed in my store for you not long after I do this video. So I'll place that there. So that's just to give you an idea of what I have in my store. So going back to the project that I'm going to show you. So these are the flowers. Now you can also make these flowers with in this way. So the difference with this one, you get 7 petals, and this one here you get 8 petals. But I'm going to show you how to make it with the 7 petals in this video, and then I'll just explain to you how you do it with the 8 petals. So to make this flower, you will need a heart-shaped punch or a heart-shaped die. If you don't have a heart-shaped punch, you can just cut out a heart shape as a template and then just use that if you wanted to. So the heart shape that I use to make the flower petal, it's this size here, which is roughly just under 1 inch, which is probably about 22 mils in size. So the larger your heart is, the larger your flower will look like. So just to give you an idea, if you wanted to use the same size as the one that I've got, it's roughly about 1 inch, just under 1 inch from the width of the heart, from one end to that end. So you'll need that heart punch, and you'll also need a circle punch. And this one here is 1 1/8 of a size in the circle shape. So if you don't have this size, you can use a circle punch that is 3/4 of an inch as well. So it doesn't really matter. But I'm going to use this one here for this project. Alright, so what you're going to need is you're going to need to cut out or punch out 7 hearts, and you'll need to punch out 1 circle shape. So that'll be the base that we're going to create the petal. Alright, so I've got here, you've got here your 7 hearts that you've punched out and your circle base. And all we do here is you're just going to grab your hearts and you're going to fold it in half, and just making sure they all line up nicely. And you're going to do that to all 7 heart shape to create the petals. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly fold all of these. So and then you're also going to need some liquid glue. You can use hot glue if you wanted to, but I'll just use my liquid glue. Alright, so you've got your 7 petals, and then you've got your little circle card, little white cardstock for the base. And all we do here is we're going to put a good amount of glue to this circle base. And we're going to grab one of your little hearts, and we're going to place that point with the folded side to the left side. You're just going to drop it and place it as close to the center as you can, the little point. So you've got that already placed there. You grab your next one, and again just following it along with the fold to the left side and placing the point to meet up with that point, and just lining it up, and then just continue all the way around till you get to the end and you have all your petals placed on the circle base. So at this point it may move a little bit, so while your glue is still tacky you'll be able to adjust your petals to get it all nicely centered and to have all the points meet up. So I've got one more, so you just slide that last one in there, and you can see that it's already formed into a cute little flower already. So I'm just going to adjust all of my petals so that they're all nice and even. So I'm quite happy with that. Just going to press that down. So you actually don't really try to avoid seeing your circle base. I'm just going to move that a little bit. So just let that set for a second. So once you've got your flower all nicely set, you're just going to grab a centerpiece like I have here. You can use some flat rhinestone, some bling. You know, you could use like, what have I got here? My one's all over the place, but you can use like any of these, and then just stick it on as a center just to cover that little piece. But I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to put a little bit of glue to the back. And then just placing that in the middle. Just let that set. And yeah, you have yourself a nice cute little flower shape embellishment using a heart shaped punch. And then I'm just going to use one of my wood stick. I mean, they all come in, you can get these all different shapes from your craft store or from your variety store, but I like using these cute little ones. So I'm just going to use a really good strong glue dot, and I'm using these ones here by Glue Dots. Their glue dots are fantastic. I really recommend these for embellishments. So you could use that. So I'm just going to just put a little bit of one of those glue dots to the end, and I'm just going to just place that in the back. I like to place mine between the petals. And there is your cute little flower embellishment. And then you can just decorate it and then gift this, or you can keep it for yourself and add it to your projects. So that's just a fun way of using a heart-shaped paper punch to create these really fun flowers. Oh, I meant to show you also how to do this one here before I go. So to make the 8-petal one, all you got to do is exactly the same. What we do is you add your glue, and I'll see if I can do this one quickly. I don't have 8 petals, but I'll just show you how to do one of the petals. So again, you place your glue to the base, you grab your flower petal, and this time you want your folded side going the other way. Again, placing the point to the middle somewhere there. You grab your next petal, and you're going to have the folds side by side one another. So you just do that, and then you keep going around, and then grab your next one facing the opposite way. You grab your next one and then have that one with the fold side by side, and you just keep going along till you have done 4 complete petals, which will be, yeah, 4 petals, but you'll need 8 heart shapes. So again, just do that. Oops, that one's fallen out. Now I don't have 8, I've only got 7. So this one here will just go there, and then you'll have your next one sliding in. Oops, I didn't put enough glue, but you've got the idea what I'm trying to say, hopefully. Yeah, so you just do that and you'll get your last one, and you do the same back to back. I wish I had another one to show you, but I'm kind of hoping you got the idea what I mean. But I'll lay it down. And so that's how you do the 8-petal one. And the 7 petals will look like that. So that's a difference. So I do hope you enjoyed this video and this unfinished flower petal that I've done here. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and my project share, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.